Hello viewers. Are you worried about the dark circles? No need to worry. In this video you will learn what can you do at home to treat dark circles under eyes. There are many things you can do at home to get rid of the dark circles under your eyes. Home remedies may include: get more sleep. Try to get at least 7 hours of sleep each night to prevent shadows from appearing around your eyes. Use more pillows. Elevate your head with a couple of extra pillows to prevent fluid from collecting under your eyes at night. This may help with puffiness. Cold compress. Apply cold spoons to your eyes to help shrink dilated blood vessels. This can reduce puffy eyelids and the appearance of dark circles. Cucumbers. Lay cucumber slices on your eyes. This can help with puffiness because cucumbers are full of water and vitamin C. Tea bags. Place cold tea bags under your eyes. This can increase circulation because tea contains caffeine and antioxidants. Facials. Facials that include massage around the eye area can help improve circulation. Makeup. Use an under-eye concealer and makeup foundation to blend the color of your skin to cover your dark circles. Hope this video will be helpful for you.